All right, continuing writing down SOHCAHTOA. Okay, SOHCAHTOA. Get this wrote down. Get every time till you get this memorized. Right now, go to the angle 26 right here. That's the angle that's given, and you point to this side. This is O. Here's the 90. That's H. So this is A. Now we are given A and H. Okay, so I want to use this one. Okay, so cosine parentheses. All right, and that is 26 degrees is equal to what? Little A divided by H. So 10 divided by X. Okay, comma X. All right, now once I show you this one, you have seen, okay, all the trig functions. So menu 3-1. All right, now we want to go get trig, right? And we want to arrow over to cosine. We're using cosine. All right, now we are doing 26 degrees. Don't forget, get your degree symbol, right? Kick to the right between those two, put your equal sign, control divide, and 10 over X, and then comma X. All right. All right, so we're rounding to the nearest tenth, so this would be 11.1. All right, so X equals 11.1. All right.